How to see the total call time on your Android device. This feature is especially handy for those who want to keep track of their phone uses and those who want to monitor their call durations. So by following just a simple steps, you can see your cumulative call duration. So let's get into it. First, open your phone box. I'm using a Samsung phone, so this might be a bit different for other Androids. Once you are on your keypad, just go to your recent calls. And once you are in your recent calls, just tap on these three dots right here. And from here, you can see the total call time. So as you can see, here are all of the outgoing call duration, the incoming calls, and all of the calls in together. So your voicemail or voice calls will be the first one, the recent calls. Then there will be outgoing calls. As you can see, my outgoing call number duration is 9 hours and incoming calls is 7 hours. In total, it's 16 hours. You can always reset all of these settings by just tapping on this reset button. And that's how you can monitor your phone usage or see the total call time on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.